There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, September 23rd. I'm James Spann. Got the chance of a few showers today. Rain will be increasing statewide tonight and tomorrow as the remnant circulation of beta approaches. Let's go right to the upper air look. The main westerlies are well to the north, and the flow in the southern stream dominated by that weakness that, again, used to be Tropical Storm Beta west of the state. Rain early this morning, most widespread to the north and west of here. Memphis, Shreveport getting a good rain, and again, that is slowly moving in our direction. Not as cool this morning, still some 50s in places like Cullman, Aniana, and Gadsden, mostly 60s elsewhere. Highs will be in the 70s again today, which is below average. We should be in the low to mid 80s right here at early fall. We note flash flood watches west of the state from Houston into the Mississippi Delta. We do not have any flash flood watches for our state. We don't expect any. Have a marginal risk of severe storms over parts of southwest Mississippi and Louisiana today. And then tomorrow, the SPC has introduced a low-end marginal risk for parts of the Deep South. In Alabama, the darker green, this is basically south of a line from near Fayette to about Blunt Springs and Roanoke. There could be a few storms tomorrow, mainly south of Interstate 20 with gusty winds and maybe even a brief isolated tornado. We'll talk about this in much more detail here in just a second. And then day 3, which is Friday, no severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, very wet for the Pacific Northwest. In Alabama, heavier totals across the northwestern counties of the state. Rain amounts there between 2 and 4 inches. About 1 to 2 inches for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden. Under 1 inch for the southern part of the state. And we do note that there is a slight risk of excessive rain or some flooding across the state tomorrow, but I don't think flooding is going to be a major problem because the ground really is not that saturated. In the tropics, things have finally calmed down. Teddy is now a post-tropical cyclone coming up into Nova Scotia. Paulette has dissipated again for the second time in the eastern Atlantic, and Beta has dissipated over the Gulf Coast states. The rest of the Atlantic basin is quiet for now. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06E run at 4 o'clock today, again troughing to the west, and the rain mainly west of the state. The remnant low is around Lake Charles. And for Alabama, it'll be cloudy with a few scattered showers today, but rain will be increasing tonight. And then tomorrow, that should be the wettest day with this. Tomorrow will be cloudy, cool, with rain likely, and maybe some thunder. There will be a warm front over central Alabama, and really the better chance of severe weather south of that front. This is the instability tomorrow at 6 p.m. And you can see the air will become unstable for the southern third of the state, the leading edge of the instability axis from near Moundville down to Montgomery and over to Opelika. But the better helicity values are north of the instability axis over North Alabama, where the air is cool and stable. So for severe weather, it just seems out of phase. But there might be some locations in that little sweet spot near the warm front that could see a storm that tries to rotate. So we'll watch the radar trends carefully tomorrow just in case. And then Friday, the models are trending drier for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that's good news for people that have outdoor plans. Still, we're going to mention showers Friday, especially for the eastern side of the state. And the weather becomes more humid and warm with highs getting back in the low 80s, but certainly not a washout. And then Saturday looking much drier than recent runs. We're still going to mention a few isolated showers, but a decent part of the day will be dry, warm, mid-80s, a mix of sun and clouds and humid. This is the European showing nothing, and we'll certainly respect that. So Saturday, warm, muggy, a mix of sun and clouds, a few scattered showers, and nothing beyond that. So the rain chances have come down for Saturday, and really Sunday, kind of the same thing. We'll mention a few scattered showers, but not a washout. Warm, humid with mid-80s. Now, this is Monday of next week. Again, we're going to be in the 80s, maybe a few scattered showers, but on Tuesday, a surface front comes through with rain chances going up Highs probably dropping into the upper 70s. And look at the big trough digging down into the eastern states Wednesday of next week with a ridge in the western states. That's going to push a really cool air mass in here. Again, look at the 540 line coming down almost to the Ohio River. And it looks awfully cool Wednesday of next week over the eastern half of the country. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, October 2nd, troughing on the East Coast, and we are cool and dry. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, again, coming down around 1.5 inches. And a lot of that's going to be tomorrow. Temperatures, you can see the 80s coming back, 80s and 60s Friday through early next week. And then it drops off considerably with that next surge of cool air by Thursday of next week. And this is for Birmingham. The NBM here has a high of 71 and a low down around 50, maybe upper 40s. So we're going to see a very crisp air mass for the latter half of next week, and maybe even colder here. This is for September 30th through October 6th, showing temperatures well below average across Alabama in the deep south. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.